Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to all my fellow creative friends. Let's dive into day number 8 of Junk Journal July. Today's prompt is observe. So let's get out our junk journal and some materials, and let's get crafty by spending some time together today and creating a junk journal page for this prompt. I'm really enjoying those daily creative practices at the moment, and I'm hoping you enjoy the watching me create and spend some creative time with me as well. I absolutely love watching all of you guys' ideas for the different prompts and see what everybody else is coming up with, and I'm absolutely loving to read through all your lovely comments. Thanks so much, every one of you who leaves a lovely comment or just gives the video a thumbs up. It absolutely makes my day. It's so nice to see how our little creative community here is growing at the moment. It's nice to observe that. Pun intended. So, for observe, I thought it would be fitting to draw some eyes that are watching, and I'm going off of that, and I'm trying to make it a bit of a more wild page to experiment with some color and some stamping techniques. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and our little 7 minutes of creative time together. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, see you tomorrow. Happy junk journaling.